Hey YouTube, today we're going to be looking at the Tile Slim. It's a way for you to see it, ring it, find it. You can find your phone or attach it to anything that you want in order to make sure that your items never get lost. Let's open this and see what we get. Okay, so this is the Tile Slim. These are instructions. Okay, so I have to download the app from either the Android or iOS store. Okay, so this comes with 4. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I already downloaded the Tile app, so we're not going to look it up and see if I can connect. Okay, so I'll go down to Slim. Got to enable my location. Okay, and I enable Bluetooth. Okay, now we're all connected. So I'm going to add this to my wallet. And then I click Find. Great. Okay, we won't need that. Okay. And if I press twice, I can find my phone. So that's the Tile Slim. This version came with 4 tiles. I'm going to be handing it out to my friends and family. For this one, I'll be using this for my wallet. See you in the next video.